notches. Can anybody tell me what a notch is? Ava?
They're little snips you make along when you're cutting up your pattern so that you can match the different pieces together.
Yeah, that's it, brilliant. So it's really important that you add notches onto your pattern pieces. If you don't, you won't know exactly how to sew them together. So when you have a really simple garment, like the skirt here, for example, there's only one notch here, and that's because this line is super straight and there's only a bit of curve here. So we don't need to fill the whole area with notches because it's going to be quite easy to match these front and back pieces together. Whereas on the sleeve head, because it's curved and you have a front sleeve and a back sleeve, which fits into the front and the back bodice, you have to have 3 notches alone just along this curved edge. And you can see this double notch here will match to the back pattern here. And this single one here will match to the front here. And then this one here would actually match once the shoulder line is sewn on these 2 front and back pieces. That's where this notch would go. Okay, so it's super important that you have all of these notches on your patterns.